Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to buy eSim that will work in Guatemala. Link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click link Voyafly eSim and open this webpage voyafly.com, or open browser and write voyafly.com and press enter and open the site and click on this and write Guatemala. And click on this. Open this page. High speed 4G 5G data, no download or registration. Keep your WhatsApp number. Instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright, choose a fixed plan and 1 GB or 3 GB a week, 1 GB 1 week. Alright, and click on this and select amount eSim, 7 eSim or 1 eSim. Okay, and click on buy it now. Open page and write ROAM tips. Order discount ROAM tips $3. Very good. And click on Google Pay and buy eSim, or write email, write payment data, write billing address and click on Pay Now and open new page and buy eSim and send your email, QR code eSim and instruction activation. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because the feedback helps me.